Have you ever wondered how the humble Cashmere goat contributes to an industry worth billions of dollars every year? With millions of tons of their soft, luxurious wool used to create high-quality cashmere, along with nutritious meat and milk, these goats are not just valuable resources, but also symbols of human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Behind this success lies a journey filled with challenges. From surviving in harsh mountain environments to the meticulous production process. Leave a one and join me as we uncover the fascinating secrets of the Cashmere goat, from how they are cared for and harvested to how their products captivate the world. The cashmere industry thrives on the production of high-quality wool, with farmers focusing on specialized breeds of goats like Cashmere goats. These unique animals are specifically bred and raised for their cashmere wool, renowned worldwide for its unparalleled softness, warmth, and lightweight properties. Known as a luxury fiber, cashmere requires meticulous care and skilled techniques, from harvesting to processing, ensuring the finest quality for premium products. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of cashmere production and discover what makes this industry so extraordinary. Known for its unparalleled softness, lightness, and smooth texture, cashmere is considered one of the finest materials in the fashion industry. The luxurious fiber comes from specialized goat breeds raised on cashmere farms, with cashmere goats being the most renowned. Their wool is carefully harvested to ensure the highest quality, making it a staple in premium fashion. Globally, there are three main breeds of cashmere goats that dominate the industry, each contributing uniquely to the production of this coveted material. Let's explore what makes these goats and their wool so extraordinary, and how they fuel the world's demand for timeless luxury. Goats raised for cashmere production are predominantly found in Mongolia, China, and India, with each region contributing its unique characteristics to this luxurious fiber. Mongolian goats are the most renowned, celebrated for producing the finest, softest cashmere wool, which is highly sought after in the fashion industry. Chinese cashmere goats also play a significant role, offering a balance of quality and quantity that caters to global demand. Meanwhile, Indian cashmere goats, particularly those from the Kashmir region, are cherished for their rich heritage and the premium quality of their wool. Together, these breeds sustain a thriving industry that defines timeless elegance and luxury. High-quality cashmere is a hallmark of the global textile industry, though the quality can vary significantly depending on farming methods and environmental conditions. Mongolian goats are celebrated for producing the finest, softest wool, often considered the gold standard in luxury textiles. Chinese goats, while slightly coarser, strike a balance between quality and quantity, making them a key contributor to global cashmere supply. Meanwhile, Indian goats, particularly those from the Kashmir region, produce wool of comparatively lower quality. However, their wool remains preferred in certain regions due to its affordability and cultural significance, sustaining a vital role in local economies and traditional crafts. These regional differences underscore the diversity and richness of cashmere production worldwide. A proper diet plays a crucial role in developing healthy goat fur, which is essential for producing high-quality cashmere. Cashmere goats require a balanced diet, primarily consisting of fresh grass and root vegetables. To further support their health and ensure their wool remains soft and smooth, farmers often provide supplements like grains and essential vitamins. In addition to diet, maintaining a clean and well-ventilated living environment is vital. Goats need sufficient space to move freely and groom themselves, which helps maintain the integrity of their fur. Regular health checkups are equally important to monitor their well-being, as sick or stressed goats are less likely to produce premium quality wool. Together, these factors create the ideal conditions for cashmere goats to thrive and yield the luxurious fiber prized by the fashion industry. In addition to producing high-quality cashmere wool, goats play a significant role in providing raw materials for dairy and meat industries. Goat milk is not only consumed as fresh milk or crafted into gourmet cheeses, but is also a key ingredient in skincare products due to its rich nutritional content and moisturizing properties. Goat cheese, prized for its distinct flavors and creamy texture, can range in price from $8 to $15 per pound, depending on the type and region of production. Goat meat, known for being a lean and nutritious protein source, is another cornerstone of the industry. It is particularly popular in countries like India, China, and various Middle Eastern nations, where it is a staple in traditional cuisines. These multiple uses of goat spanning wool, milk, skincare, and meat highlight their immense value across diverse sectors, making them a vital part of both rural livelihoods and global industries. In India, goat meat is a popular dish, with prices ranging from $4 to $7 per pound, depending on the cut and quality. Goat meat processing plants are primarily located in regions where demand is high, playing a crucial role in meeting both domestic and international needs. These factories are vital for producing and processing goat meat, which is exported worldwide. Meanwhile, Cashmere goat wool products are renowned not only for their exceptional quality, but also for their substantial economic value. Cashmere wool, considered one of the most precious materials in the textile industry, brings significant profits to farmers. The production and processing of this luxurious fiber generate high returns, making it an essential part of the economy in countries like China, Mongolia, and India, which dominate the global cashmere market. The cashmere wool market is dominated by China, which stands as the largest producer and exporter of cashmere wool in the world. Every year, millions of tons of cashmere wool are harvested, providing a substantial source of income for farmers and wool processing businesses. This thriving industry not only supports local economies, but also fuels global trade. Products made from cashmere wool are in high demand, particularly in markets across Europe, North America, and Japan, where the luxurious fiber is prized for its softness, warmth, and quality. As a result, cashmere remains a key player in both the domestic and international textile markets, contributing significantly to global economic growth. In some mountainous regions and among ethnic minorities in China, cashmere goat meat is a staple in the cuisine. One popular dish is roasted goat meat, prepared by cleaning, marinating with spices, and roasting over charcoal. This method creates a delicious and aromatic dish with a distinct flavor, often served at large gatherings during festivals or family reunions. In addition to roasted goat meat is also used in dishes like Chinese medicinal goat stew, a famous recipe in traditional medicine known for its health benefits. This stew is believed to boost vitality and improve blood circulation, with the meat simmered alongside valuable herbs for a flavorful and highly nutritious meal. Although not as common as beef or pork, Cashmere goat meat remains popular in certain regions due to its higher nutritional value. Leave a 1 in the comments if you find this video fascinating. Asterisk asterisk, does this version capture the essence you want? Would you like to adjust anything further?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up